Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to update Instagram. So there is, more than one way to do that. First of all, you could just see right here, by clicking your browser and start looking for Instagram. Okay, Instagram newest, all right, newest update, right? And basically, just go ahead and click on the Instagram new update and you will learn about the new Instagram update within the app. Here it says the new Instagram update is the new note prompt. A feature is to spur more engagement with the recently launched note feature, right? So basically, this is the newest update from Instagram so far. Now, if you want to double check if the Instagram app needs to be updated, just go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and from here, just go ahead right here to your Instagram right here. All right, and basically, what's gonna happen? You're gonna just see right here. If you downloaded Instagram, you'll be able to click on the Instagram and see the latest update. If that didn't come up to you, that means that you have already updated to the latest version and you gotta wait. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.